Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this barber belt video. There are many best barber belting in the video. Let's see who the best barber is. Make sure to comment down below who your favorite barber is and also what your favorite haircut is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let's say 100 likes. It really does help me out. Thank you. If you are still watching the video, it seems like you are enjoying the video. Please let me know where are you from so I can make a video as per your city or a country. Keep watching and comment below about your best barber and favorite haircut. We changed your topic content from compilation to tutorial, but response seems not so good. After many comments and your interest, we are back to best barber compilation around the world. I am expecting good response and at least 100 likes from you people. Don't forget to like this video, keep watching and have fun. I would like to say thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like if you haven't already and subscribe. Turn on the post notification so you don't ever miss out when we post. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.